we're going to go over step-by-step instructions for cleaning vertical surfaces made of grout and tile, such as shower walls and tub surrounds. Step 1. Scrape off any excess soap scum from the tile surfaces with a safety razor. Be sure to scrape the tile starting from the center out toward the edges of all four sides to ensure the buildup is scraped off of the bevel of the tile. Step 2. Apply any of a variety of orange pumice hand cleaners, rubbing the cleaning agent thoroughly over the walls. Let this sit for approximately 5 minutes, and do not let it dry on the surface. Step 3. Go over the surface with a piece of 220 grit sandpaper, first with a circular motion, then up and down, and finally left to right. Take care to go over every grout line individually with the sandpaper. Keep in mind though, don't make a practice of using sandpaper for regular maintenance as it does abrade the surface of glazed tiles. Only use this in instances where the tile has gotten particularly dirty. For regular maintenance, use a blue, non-scratch scouring sponge. And lastly, step 4. Rinse the walls thoroughly with hot water. You now have a clean shower.